So the GasStop is really a simple item to put on, and you know, having been fairly new to this, it kind of confuses me why more people don't get it. So hopefully this video will let you know how easy it is, give you the cost of it, give you a chance to win a free one at the end here, and put it on and just add a little extra safety for your RV or really any other propane item that you're using. Hey, it's Peyton from To Be Determined. One of the most cost-efficient things you can buy for your RV is GasStop. If you're cooking with any kind of propane or using propane, I think in your house or anything, I think GasStop is probably what you should put on. There's two types. There's the POL, the kind that I'm going to put on my big tank here in my RV, and there's also the ACME type 1 that you can put on fifth wheels and travel trailers and other things like that. So I think for the cost, it's super cheap and it provides really great safety. It's the only product out there that guarantees 100% shut off if you have a major leak. Now, looking at Good Sam's, they said the top 2 insurance claims, number 1 is blowing out tires. We see it all the time, and blowing out tires can do some tremendous damage, even include fire. Or the number 2 insurance claim that they have is fire. So one of the ways you can stop that is stop in the case of a major leak. This GasStop will actually, when it senses that there's a major leak happen, whether you cut a line, whether an animal chews through your line, whether a line dry rots and just cracks and then actually starts leaking, if it senses a major leak, it will automatically shut it off. It's the only product out there that'll do it. And this product is not only that, it's guaranteed to work. It's tested before it leaves, so you know it's good. And it also gives you a 5-year guarantee. Now, these things are made from high quality brass, so you can leave them outside. It's not a big deal. You can't go wrong. I bought this item for $70 at Tampa Super Show with some tax. Stick around to the end of the video. We'll let you know how you can win your free GasStop. Okay. Pretty simple process here. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to shut the gas off. Obviously the most important thing, don't leave your gas on while you're doing this. And the only thing I'm really going to have to do, I'm going to take this housing off right here. I will loose this connection up, and basically it's just that simple. I will put the GasStop on, hook the line back up, and then I will leak test it to make sure it's good to go. And after that I'll put the housing back on. Just that simple. So stand by as we do this. So this is going to go on. It's going to fit just like this, and then the line will hook right here. So pretty simple. Okay, now that I got the line taken out, I'm going to attach it to my GasStop. So a couple ways you can do this. You can try to put it on first, and it just depends on how you want to do it. This gives me a little easier access to do it. Real tight. I'm going to have to give it a little muscle on it. Make sure it's good to go. So after that, it's good and secure. Hook it up to your tank. good for you to read. Everything looks good and snug. Okay, now that I got the lines hooked up, I am going to open it up. We're going to prime it. Should be. So it registers now right in the middle. And so there you go. I may have to work this a little bit to get the housing back on to cover the regulators, but outside of that, pretty easy install. It only takes really a few minutes. We're going to leak test it real quick before we do anything else. Make sure we don't see. I do not see. I took a little soap water. Everything seems to look good. I don't smell any gas, so that's great. There you have it. Okay, you saw how I installed GasStop on our RV. You can do that on any rig. And actually the Class A's, mine was easy, and that's probably more difficult than the fifth wheel or travel trailer. So this is an easy DIY project, and it's something anyone can do, and it just adds a very enhanced safety measure for your RV. So please, if you don't win one today, please make sure you reach out to those guys and get you one.
Yeah.
Like
all right, so let's get to our first giveaway. How's it gonna work?
So the first two people that put a comment, I need that for my RV, I need that for my travel trailer, I need that for my fifth wheel.
Right.
The first two people, one per household, those individuals will be the first two that win a GasStop.
Yeah, and we will contact you after the first two people, which should be pretty quick because you're commenting right below. You're watching this right now. Start commenting. The first two people who comment that, we'll get in touch with you so we can get your name and number to Tracy, who will personally send you the GasStop you need.
That's right. A personal shout out to Tracy with GasStop. She's been awesome to work with. Tracy, thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Yeah, so anyway, make sure you comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can do it now.
Yeah, please do.
We'd appreciate your following along with us.
Hang out with us.
Yeah.
So if you did not win, please go to that link and go down and buy you one. And also in the promo code, put TBD. For to be determined. So put TBD as your promo code for a 10% off.
Yeah. So until next time, seatbelts on.
Seatbelts on. Brake. Hey, it's Peyton. Brake. Hey, it's Peyton from To Be Determined. Stick around. Brake. Nope. Let's do win. No. Stick brake. Ready to install? Nah. Hey, it's cost efficient. Brake. Today I'm gonna install a GasStop on my RV. Brake. I need to stop that.